What's up, guys? Getting ready to do a windshield on this 03 2500 Chevy. Right now I'm just peeling off these trim pieces. I don't even know what I'm using here. T15 Torx. Getting these off. Pull this off and then I'll pop the hood and we'll start working on the cowling. But you can see here this windshield's pretty beat. Well, maybe. Yeah, can't see it as well as I thought, but she's got lots of cracks in her. There you can kind of see them. So we'll get this tore apart and we'll get that swapped out. Alright guys, we're about ready to start cutting this thing out of here. Got these corner pieces here for the hinges out. Wiper blades are off. I do, even though these lines, where are they at? This line here, I don't know if you can see that. That's like a guide for where to line up your wiper blades. But I like to mark them as well, and there'll be a corresponding mark on the blade itself. So got those off. Those are a 13mm nut. Those might be kind of hard to pop off. I use a flathead to kind of pry on them a little bit. So now we just got two Torx up there in the corner, and then a bunch of, geez, where are they at? Maybe not a bunch. Clip there. And then I know, oh, there's one down there. Little metal clip there to pop off. And the cowl should come off. And we can start cutting her out. Alright guys, cowl's off. All that was the two Torx that were T15s over there in the corner. There should have been like 4 of these metal clips here that you just slide off, but there was only 2 of those. And then one like Christmas tree clip there in the center. This one here, I did have 2 8mm self tappers that I had to pull out. This truck has an extra battery and this like junction block here for this hay bed that's on it. But there's the cowl. There's the one clip that we had to pull. You won't have these, but I had to pull those out, and then just the 2 Torx on each end. That should be off. So next we can start cutting the windshield out. This is where that deal is.
You don't think so? I don't play no games.
The fuck, dude? Alright guys, glass is out. I'm going to go through here now and start shaving this glue off of here. Try to get it as smooth as I can. You don't really want it to be choppy like that, but my blade keeps catching. And then I got to clean up a bunch of dirt and stuff here. It's pretty gross, but we'll get that done. And then I suppose we can start primering the windshield and get that laid in. Alright guys, Colin's got the pinch weld on the truck primered. Now he's hitting the windshield. I sanded this, kind of roughed it up a little bit, cleaned it. Now he's primering it, and then after that he'll start laying a bead of glue in there and we should be able to set it in.
GCU. I think we were wasting. I think I should have just got a new one because like I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this.
Was that other one totally empty? That
No.
tube you just pulled? No.
Oh, maybe it's gonna go. We're gonna like open a new one and it's gonna be like.
Just a tiny strip of it.
Yeah. Like this one was left over from the last one. Is it not a race? It's about how straight you can do it. Yeah.
Alright guys, windshield set in. Didn't really have a good way to film us setting it in, but
Why not, dog?
because I don't have my tripod, but
What do you mean? I thought it was.
there it is. We just tape them in and call it good.
George. What?
Nothing.
Gotta leave this tape on for 32 weeks.